Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can dig and then wolf. Step by step, I'm going to choose a pairing in the wolfing area because the main reason why I want to do this because I want to earn more bone. More bone. Bone is sitting at $4.65 or 62 cents at the recording of this video. And the more bone I feel like I can accumulate, I feel like more I'm going to have in my overall portfolio. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We're going to do step by step. I'm going to choose a pairing in this area, and then I'm going to dig. So the first thing what I would do is go to the wolfing area and decide which pairing you want to connect with. Now, I've done Bone in Ethereum, SHIB and Bone, and SHIB and Ethereum. I have a spreadsheet that actually breaks this down that I've been keeping track of this step by step. But here's the thing. I'm going to choose a completely different pairing so I can start digging, and then I'll come back to this area to wolf. The reason why you want to wolf, just like it says here, you want to be able to basically automatically collect your bone. You want to get and claim your rewards. So I'm going to choose something different, Elon and Ethereum. The only reason why I'm choosing this because I have some Elon that I bought back in April and I have some leftover Ethereum. But I'm going to let you know what the fees will be. So don't worry about that. And before we even start any of this at all, make sure you're connected properly. I'm using a Coinbase wallet. I also will show you this in bottom of the screen here, which will be right here. I'm going to show you that as well. So I'm going to move this over here. So we're going to add liquidity first. The first thing to do, we want to add liquidity to the pool, just like it says here. Get bones in our liquidity pool. We need to add liquidity. And it has a read more about providing liquidity right here. In order to claim your dig returns, you must deposit Shibaswap liquidity provider tokens into a allocated pair box at the wolf. Now we just selected allocated pair in the wolfing area. We just did that. Now we're going to dig for that and then go back to the wolf to be able to approve it, add a deposit just like it says here, and then we can start being the process of obtaining that automatically bone. Now you can only take and claim 33% of the wolf returns weekly. The remaining will be 67% locked in for 6 months. So just think about, you can only claim the 33%. The other will be locked for 67% for 6 months. So here we're going to go ahead and get the digging on. Now, one thing you want to make sure that you must pay attention to is that this has to match. So Ethereum and your Elon has to match. It has to be the same amount in terms of value. So it has to be the same amount. That's how it works. Any pairing works that way. So what I'm going to do is do this here. So I've got this amount of Elon and this amount of Ethereum. And the main reason why I'm using this, I just had some leftover. I've had this Elon forever. I might as well put it into some use, you know, and it has some Ethereum as well. So let me move this over here. Let's apply this 499376. I think I can probably get a little bit more. I'm gonna get a little bit more. See if I can do that. Supply there. Let me see if I do all of it. Let's do all of it. Let's see if I can do all of it. Okay, I'm gonna do all of it. Confirm supply. And this is what we're gonna do. We do all of it. All of it matches. Look at the Ethereum fees is only $10. Remember, I'm doing this late at night with recording this video, so that's not too bad with miner fees. I've been paying higher miner fees than that. So there it is. I'm paying those miner fees only $10.15. That's all I paid. $10.15 of the fees. Just let you know, $10.15. So I just want to make sure that's the amount of Ethereum fees that I actually paid for this transaction, at least so far. So let me go back. At least so far, that's how much I paid in terms of Ethereum fees. So it's actually in the process of pending right now. So what happens is when this approves, I will go back to the Woof area. I will go back to the Woof area and continue the process, just to let you know there. So I'm just kind of waiting for this to pin. If I check my cell phone here, the Doja line is being moved. This is going to be changed. And then also I've had some Ethereum. If I go to Ethereum, this is also going to be changed as well. It says minus $16.18. If I click on there, it lets me. I don't think it lets me. Oh, it won't let me. Oh, there you go. So there you go. It's a little bit of a breakdown. $10.16 is the minor fees. That's what basically what the fees were. It's pending at this moment. And that's not too bad. That's not bad at all. If I go back, and it looks like we have been approved. Remember, look for the status that says green success. And that's what we want to see. So let's go back to it as well. So then now we have that approved. We're starting to dig. We've got something in the liquidity pool. Now we must go back to the Woof area because we have to finish the process. Why? Because just like it says here, when you deposit, all of your pending bone for that pool will be Woof automatically. We want that to happen. We want it to happen just like this. We want this to happen like this. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to look for that pairing that we just did, which is this one right here. First thing we want to do, we want to approve it. We confirm on our phone. It's only $2.51 to approve that. Confirm. Now, I'll keep track of the fees here. Remember, it was fees. It was $10.16. And then it was $2.51. I'm just keeping track of the fees. And then I need to go ahead and put my PIN. $2.51. So these are the fees so far. Just keeping track of it for you. For you. I'm keeping track of these fees here. And it's taken out of my Ethereum. It took this out, and it's taking this out of my Ethereum. So, here, 16 cents. Okay. That has been approved. Success, green success. And close the Ethernet scans out. And so now the next thing is to do is to add a deposit. So sure I'm able to do that. Okay, there we go. Took some time, a little bit of a stall. So now the next thing I want to do is add a deposit. I'm going to deposit the maximum for this. Deposit this right now. It's going to be more fees to let you know. So the next thing I want to deposit it to get this thing going. Minor fee is $9.81. Let's add this to our count. I'll do this. $9.81. So confirm. That's not too bad in fees. I understand. I mean, we're keeping track of this whole process of the fees. Remember, the $10 was to dig. The $2 was to approve the Woof. And then the $9 is for the deposit. And it's pending right now. While that's pending, let's go ahead and add this up in our calculator. So it'll be $10.16 plus $2.51 plus $9.81. That's what the $22.48. I think you can see that. $22.48. $20.48 is the total fees for woofing, for digging and Woof. That's the total fees of the process. Everything has been approved. We had enough Ethereum in there, and now the wolfing has begun with this pairing. It's begun here. So that's how you dig and that's how you wolf. It was a simple process. We only was charged on this transaction $22.48 in fees when you dig and wolf. Now, I already had Ethereum and Elon already set, so I didn't have to purchase any more Ethereum or any more Elon or anything else. What I was charged with was the $22.48 in fees. And as you see right here already, Bone is automatically being added. Look at this, 22. It's going to continue going. So this is a really good passive income stream. And what I can technically do is add this into our pairing here. Add this to our pairing. So I could add this and say Elon and Ethereum and just put in the amount of Bone in there, which is pretty low at this particular time. So I will go ahead and add this in here and we'll be ready to go. So I'll conclude this video. That's how you add your dig. That's how you dig step by step. Then you have to wolf, and then you just sit back and collect the bone. Now, how to withdraw this? You will click on wolf and then you withdraw. You can withdraw your bone. So when you're ready, remember it's only 33% of this. You can withdraw this by clicking here and withdraw when you're ready. Just whenever you're ready to do that, whatever plans you technically have, you can do that really at any particular time, but you do have to go by this information here. You have to go by this information because it's going to tell you what you can unwolfable and what you can wolf. They're going to have dates and times in here. So you definitely want to follow this here as well in terms of the wolfable bone. You want to follow this information. So once you wolf, then it's going to tell you, hey, your next time you can do it, it's going to be at a particular time. And so you see here as we talking, it's collecting the bone, bone. Yes. All right. My name is Adam Shelton. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step, really simple and really easy. I'm going to go ahead and add the Elon and Ethereum in here as well. And my next update in terms of the spreadsheet, I'll have that probably in the next couple of days just to see where our bone and our profits will be with all this. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, I've got some links in below this video, so go ahead and check those out. If you want to buy Bone or Shiba or anything like that, I have you already taken care of. I'll see you in the next video because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'll see you later.